Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a review of the Philips 40B1U5600. A big screen business monitor aimed at boosting productivity with its expansive size and feature-packed design. Let's see if this monitor lives up to its promises.
Starting with the design, Philips opts for a clean and professional look with all black plastics and a straightforward, straight-edged design. Despite its size, this is a 40-inch monitor. It manages to maintain a sleek appearance suitable for any office environment. One standout feature here is the inclusion of a KVM switch, allowing seamless sharing of this monitor across two computers. This is a huge plus for users managing multiple devices. Additionally, there's USB-C connectivity with power delivery up to 100 W. Which means you can not only drive the display but also charge your laptop and connect peripherals through a single cable. Moving on to performance, the Philips 40B1U5600 boasts a 3440 by 1440 resolution IPS panel. It supports HDR and runs at a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which is quite impressive for a business-oriented monitor. The high refresh rate contributes to smoother animations and general responsiveness during everyday tasks. In terms of color accuracy, it covers 121% of the sRGB color space, which is decent for business use but might fall short for professional photo or video editing due to limited support beyond sRGB. The HDR support, while present, is more entry-level, so don't expect the deep blacks and vibrant highlights of higher-end HDR displays. Ergonomically, this monitor is quite versatile with height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, along with VESA mount compatibility. The connectivity options include DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.0, and USB-C, ensuring flexibility in connecting various devices. From a user experience standpoint, navigating the OSD menu is straightforward, although some may find the color space options limited. Gaming on this monitor is surprisingly good thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate and user-configurable overdrive settings. Although serious gamers might still prefer dedicated gaming monitors with higher resolutions. Now, let's talk about the downsides. The 3440 by 1440 resolution, while adequate for most business tasks, results in a lower pixel density, which can make text appear slightly less sharp, especially on macOS systems. Also, the HDR performance, while supported, doesn't reach the levels of more premium HDR monitors. In conclusion, the Philips 40B1U5600 is a solid choice. If you're looking for a large-screen business monitor with excellent connectivity options and a smooth user experience, it excels in productivity tasks, offers decent color accuracy, and includes some gaming-friendly features. However, if you need higher resolution or more advanced HDR capabilities, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the Philips 40B1U5600. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.